The Stilwell Museum, named after the late U.S. General Joseph Stilwell, is located in southwest China's Chongqing. It is the only museum in China that is named after a foreign military officer. At the museum, a special exhibition is held to commemorate the 140th birth anniversary of the U.S. General, who provided support to the Chinese people in their resistance against Japanese aggression.
On the 5th anniversary of the Lugo Bridge incident, he said, and I quote, "To me, the Chinese soldier best exemplifies the greatness of the Chinese people, their indomitable spirit, their uncomplaining loyalty, their honesty of purpose, their steadfast perseverance."
Throughout his 42-year military service, Stilwell made 5 visits to China and lived in the country for 12 years. He was an old friend of the Chinese people, and his family has unwaveringly promoted people-to-people exchanges between China and the United States.
今年8月初，史迪威将军的第4代和第5代子孙来重庆参加了纪念史迪威将军诞辰140周年活动。其中，这对于第5代子孙来说，他们是第1次到中国重庆，并留下了深刻的印象。
The Stilwell Museum, converted from Stilwell's residence in Chongqing, has stood as a witness to people-to-people friendship between China and the United States.
他对中国文化的热爱，以及他连同中国人民一起抗日的深厚情谊，为推动我们中美两国文化的交流留下了宝贵的财富，值得我们学习。
The Stilwell Museum has, and I am sure will, contribute to remembering that legacy in the future by hosting people-to-people activities.